Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. Student, now I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, renovation of ruined park. You know student, park? The children playing game. Huh? And no student, the park, you see, when you see the park, then it contains many flowers, very good grass. So we feel very happy. So student, is the one story of the two children. They develop a ruined park. Because you know student, in the cities, the number of parks are very less. And according to the population, the park are very less. So problems there where the children play. In the village side, no problem. They have the many field, garden. But in the cities is the very problem. So student, in the summer season, you know, when we get free time, then the children want to play. So for playing, they need some space. So in the metro cities, they have no any place, or the number of place is there, but their number are less than the population. So student, is the one story of the two students, Manu and Tarun. The Manu and Tarun were good friends and neighbors. It was summer vacation and all the children living the Mahanagar enclave were getting bored. Student, you know, in the summer season we have the very long time and we have no place for playing. That's why in the summer season when the student get the holiday, they went to the other places. So in the Mahanagar, either two person, Manu and Tarun, they already get the vacation, summer vacation, but they have no any place for playing. Because in the Mahanagar, you know student, I already told, in the Mahanagar, in the metro cities, the number of garden, the number of park is less according to the population. So they have no any place for playing. The only park in their locality was drained. All the people resting nervy and use the park as a garbage bin. You know student, I told in the many videos, cleanliness is the good for our health. So if you collect the garbage in the outside of your house, it creates the problem. Because all the neighbors, all the people, they put all the waste material in the park. Means the park is like a dustbin. So they threw all their household garbage in it. Boundary wall were also broken. It was a home for all the dirty stray animal. So student, you know, when we collect the garbage and if no any boundary, then many animals, stray animal, they came. So see, if the many animals like pig and dog, if they came the same place, it possible to be survive? No. So the children had no proper place to sit or play. One day, Manu and Tarun decided to develop the park. It's the story of two students. Their age 10 to 12 years. So they decided if we make the park for playing is good for our health. So that's why all the Tarun and Manu, they decided to develop the park. They met the other children in the locality to discuss about it. Because it is not a small work, it is a very big work. So, but you know student, what we need? We need our elders' suggestion. Because without their suggestion, it is not possible. So after discussing, finally it was decided that the matter should further to discuss with the senior. Because children have no money, no any ideas how to develop the park. So when the Tarun father was SDO of the area, SDO means Senior Development Officer. Mr. Ramkumar was the SDO of that area. Clear? So the children went to him and told him about their plan. Means uncle, we develop a ruined park. So when Mr. Ramkumar was pleased with the children, he gave the consent and promised to help them in every possible way. When the Mr. Ramkumar listened the full story and he told, okay, I will do our best. And after that, he wrote a letter to the city mayor requesting him for his consent and assistance. You know mayor? Like in our Nagarpalika Dhaj, similarly in the Mahanagar mayor. Mayor is the head of the particular area. So without mayor, it is not possible to do any work in the particular area. So they wrote one letter to the city mayor requesting him for his consent and assistance. The mayor was also pleased with the children's plan. When the mayor seen the letter, after that he granted them the permission and immediately sent an engineer to survey the park and meet the children. So if you want to do any work, first we need one engineer. Engineer decide how to make clear now. So when the mayor seen the letter, he sent one engineer. The engineer met the children. He said, children, I have observed the park. It in a very terrible condition. It requires a lot of labor. We have to plan and work accordingly. At first we need a measuring tape and a notepad. So when the engineer seen the condition, he became very unhappy because the park was a very ruined condition. So he told, okay children, I observe you. But after that, when the engineer told about this, then all the students, all the children, they gathered together, and after that they collected some money. For what? To purchase measuring tape. So the children collected some money and bought all the necessary things from the market. Next morning they gathered in the park. They wrote the dimension of the park in the notepad. They also noticed that the park was completely ruined. It has no gate. At one corner of the ruined park, they also found a broken pipeline, and old dry well, and a broken hut. So you see the boundary wall already damaged, the pipe also damaged, and the park condition are very bad. Means what we need? We need a boundary wall, we need gate, okay, we need one hut for gardener, one gardener, everything they observe and note in the notepad. And after that, he collecting all the information, the children made the engineer again. They really wanted to renovate the park. When the engineer see the face of the children, they become very happy. Means they think yes, they are very really they wanted to renovate the park. Okay now. After that, the engineer told them that they should think how the park can be utilized in a better way. Thought for a while and gave some suggestion. There should be a small garden, a path for walking, and an area of ground covered with the grass. So there should be a but for a gardener, they said Tarun. Varun said a tap and a water tank to water the plants. So our plan is completed, said the engineer. Clear? After that, other ones tell, no sir, we have forgotten the gate. How can we enter the park without a gate? Said Reena. After that, everyone began to laugh at this. So there should also be slide and a merry-go-round for us to play, said Sunita and Geeta. Yes, we also want a seesaw, said John. Yes, we will have everything in our garden, said the engineer. Engineer told, okay, no problem, we will adjust each and everything. So, Mr. Ramkumar divided the children into 4 groups and asked them to prepare a layout of the park according to their choice. Next, all the 4 groups presented their layout before the engineer. The engineer went through all the 4 layouts carefully and selected the best one. Now the children began their work with the help of some elders, because I told without elders it is not possible. So the children have began their work with the help of some elders. The children repaired the boundary, the gate and the water tap. Because without gate, how we control the stray animal? Without boundary, it is not possible to save the garden. So first they develop the gate, make a boundary wall, and after that one water tap. After that he make a small hut for the gardener. They also help in the filling the well with the soil, pebbles and brick pieces. After that, with the help of gardener, they develop the flower bed and sowed some seeds. Without seed, it is possible to grow any flower? No. So they, with the help of gardener, they put some seed. Where? around the park. They also made embankment for the water system. I told without water it is not possible to develop the park. So they make the embankment, means how to pass the water. Clear? And after that, so that they could water the plant next to the easily, they cleared away the weeds, picked stone and pebbles and prepared the piece of land for growing grass. After that, student, in the park is the one type of grass, no? It's a very good grass. So they planted the grass. After that, the engineer and the children worked hard for a month. It's not a 1 day, 2 day work. 1 month they spent for renovate the park. After that, finally the renovation of the ruined park was complete. Children dream of the beautiful park came true. The park was now fully developed. People started coming to the park in the morning and evening. So when the park fully developed, then the people from the areas, they came for the walking evening and morning time. Children were found playing in the park. The mayor also came to see the park. When mayor listening about the park, mayor also came to the park and he appreciated the children dedication and hard work. When he seen the children dedication, he became very happy. After that, he gave a trophy to the children of the Mahanagar enclave for their good work. So students, next day, this was in town, little children participate in socially useful productive work for the society. Socially useful productive work, SUPW. Okay student, means is also your duty. Do some social work. So student, this is the story of the two children. So student, the next topic we discuss in the next video. Thank you.